Hi everyone, welcome to my channel TCU for Olympiads and JEE. Today I am back with one question series of mathematics, and this is the question for today. This is an integration based question where it says this thing, right? Oh sorry. Yeah. So this is the question. It says now we have to calculate this integration. I am starting with a solution. Let this be equals to I, right? So now using the property, um, we can say that I equals to, since it is definite integration, we are using that property that um, the sum of limits minus the variable will be, the integration will remain same. So here I will write sine pi by 2 plus 0 minus x divided by sine cube pi by 2 plus 0 minus x and cos cube pi by 2 plus 0 minus x dx. So this is equals to integration. Sine pi by 2 minus x is cos x. So this is 0 to yes, this is 0 to pi by 2. So this is 0 to pi by 2. Now this is cos x by, this is again cos cube x, and we have this as sine cube x. So this is also I, this is 1, this is 2. So 1 plus 2 we can get 2I equals to integration of what? Cos x plus sin x by cos cube x plus sin cube x, right? Okay. So what we can say is taking cos, this is 0 to pi by 2, it's always there. So this is again 0 to pi by 2. I'm taking cos x common out of it, the numerator, so it is 1 plus tan x divided by, if we take cos cube x out of the numerator, we will have 1 plus tan cube x. Now we have this as dx. Okay. So this cos x cancels with here, remains 2. This is again equals to, I can write 0 to pi by 2. This is 1 plus tan x. We have 1 by cos square x as 6 square x divided by 1 plus tan cube x, and we have dx here. Right. Now I'm moving on to our next page, and I'm just writing the same thing again. 0 to pi by 2, we have 2I equals to 1 plus tan x 6 square x divided by 1 plus tan cube x dx. So now I'm going to do the substitution. Let's say tan x equals to t. So we can write 6 square x dx equals to dt. Now as now we have to change the limits as well. So 2I2 is equals to, so since I have taken tan x equals to t, so tan of 0 is what? It's 0, and tan of pi by 2 is infinity. So 0 to infinity, 1 plus t by 1 plus t cube, and we have dt here, right? This 1 plus t cube, 0 to infinity, we can write it as 1 plus t and 1 minus t plus t square, and we have 1 plus t in the numerator as well. This is dt. 1 plus t cancels, we have 0 to infinity, 1 by 1 minus t plus t square dt. So we can say that this is 0 to infinity, 1 by, I am completing the square here. It is t minus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, I can say, and this is dt. So we know this is so we know the integration of this. It is just I'm not putting the limits, I'm doing the indefinite integration right now. So it is 2 by root 3 tan inverse 2t minus 1 by root 3. And this is what I am doing, that is root over of x square plus a square if it is there. So integration of this is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. We are doing something like that. So since it was t minus half, no need to give another integration, means that chain rule type thing we have now, we do not need in the denominator right now. So this is what I have used here. Yes, now this is equals to, wait a minute, where gone? Yeah, this is equals to, now we have to put the limits from 0 to infinity. So I'm doing it here, let's say here. So I can write 2i equals to that we have 2 by root 3. So just we have to put the values here. For infinity we have pi by 2, and for 0 we have minus 1 by root 3, that is 1 by root 3 is minus pi by 6, but we are minusing it, so plus pi by 6. So it must be 2 by root 3 of pi by 2 plus pi by 6. This 2 cancels, I equals to, here we have 2 pi by 3 root 3, right? So this is our final answer. So this was our question. The answer is 2 pi by 3 root 3. Just revising the things once. How I have done. This was I now using the property that a plus b minus x, if we substitute in place of x, then the integration remains same. I have used that here and here as well, the entire step. Now solving this, I got cos x, and this is cos cube and sin cube x. Adding I and I, we get 2i, and this was the thing I got. Now I took cos common out of it, and here I took cos cube out of it, and so I cut cos and cos cube to get cos square here, which went up to give sec square x dx. I have 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan cube x here. Moving on, I have written the same thing here again, and I have used a substitution as tan x equals to t, so sec square x dx comes out to be dt. Used it here, and the limit stems from 0 to infinity. 2i2 equals to 1 plus t by 1 plus t cube dt. Now I cancel 1 plus t out from both to give 1 by 1 minus t plus t square dt, and completing the square and solving, I got this as the tan inverse, and on solving I got the answer as 2 pi by 3 root 3. So we have come to the end of this video here. With this note of thanks, I am going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.